welcome back to channel SciTecher. In this video, I'm going to compare the Realme GT Neo 2 versus iQOO 7 device. Which phone is the best option to buy, and is it worth to wait for the Realme GT Neo 2 instead of buying the iQOO 7 device at this moment? This is a question which I am getting from a lot of other subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. As you can see, they're really confused. I can totally understand why they're confused, but in this video, I'm going to clearly mention in what category which phone is a clear winner. And this is what I'm going to exactly declare which phone is a clear win. And I did not use a Realme GT Neo 2, but we can definitely say based on the specifications, few things, what is really unique in this phone, which makes kind of really worth to wait or not. Depending on this choice, you can definitely select, should you wait or should you buy the iQOO 7 device? So first thing is regarding the performance. I mean, the processor is of same Snapdragon 870 and you cannot notice any kind of difference in terms of the performance wise, but in terms of the cooling wise, you can definitely notice the cooling which is present in the Realme GT Neo 2, which has got the new type of cooling system which is called the diamond coated thermal paste, which is available. As you can see, diamond coated, so which is quite good in terms of cooling system when compared with the iQOO 7's vapor chamber cooling system. As you can see, so iQOO 7 has got the vapor chamber and Realme GT Neo 2 has got the diamond coated cooling system. So apart from this one, the cooling system, you cannot find much major differences in terms of the performance wise, so both are kind of really good. So same kind of performance you can definitely expect. So next is regarding the display. So which display, what is the difference between both phones in terms of the display segment? The Realme GT Neo 2 has got slightly big display, 6.62 inches. I mean, same kind of display, not big. When compared to the other GT, is kind of really big, but 120 Hz refresh rate and 600 Hz touch sampling rate. That's slightly advantage in the Realme GT Neo 2, and the iQOO 7 has got the 300 Hz touch sampling rate. If you ask me, will it make much difference? I don't think at this moment touch sampling rate matters, but refresh rate is the one which you need to take care at this moment. And Super AMOLED display and AMOLED display, not much major differences as well between both phones, and 1300 nits of brightness as well. That's also same. So in the display segment, there is not a huge difference. You're going to see there is no curved display anyway. That's also another point you should definitely remember in terms of the display. So in the performance segment, slightly better cooling system in the Realme GT Neo 2, and the display segment equal. Camera segment, maybe slight points for the iQOO 7 device, which has got the OIS. As you can see, that's another thing which the stabilization might be slightly good, and night mode photography is also really good. I mean, low light photography, which is fantastic in this iQOO 7 device. That's the one thing which I did like in the iQOO 7. So Realme GT Neo 2 also has got really good specifications and everything, but I'm not sure, unless we use, we cannot decide the camera quality. So stay tuned for that camera thing. One point, that's the one thing which you need to test practically. And next thing, if you move to the battery and the charging, the battery backup in the Realme GT Neo 2 may be slightly better. 5000 mAh of battery, 36 minutes of time. I cannot believe, friends, 36 minutes only. That's really very fast. That's very good. 5000, 36 minutes, perfect. iQOO 7 device, 4400 mAh of battery capacity and 22 minutes of charging time. But in the real life testing, my phone takes 32 minutes, slightly kind of time. So in the battery backup and the charging speed, maybe the Realme GT Neo 2 can be the advantage in this segment. So Realme GT has got this kind of advantage. Next, let's move to the connectivity. So in the 5G, only one 5G bands. So we do know the Realme, whenever they're launched, they'll be definitely launching with more 5G bands. That's kind of expected. And 4G plus and the Wi-Fi kind of expected. Yeah, Wi-Fi 6 kind of good. That's also available in this phone. Wi-Fi 6 is supported. Along with that, there's a special technology which is 11 antennas and 360 degrees connectivity, which is also found in this Realme GT Neo 2, can also help for the better connectivity. That's what I'm expecting in this kind of in the Realme GT Neo 2. Slightly advantage 5G and the having 11 antennas with the 360 degrees connectivity option in the Realme GT Neo 2. And next, regarding the build quality, no 3.5mm jack and speakers, dual stereo speaker setup. Aptics, we cannot know unless we use the phone. And next is UI software updates. We do know the Realme and the iQOO, they are really good in the UI and software updates. I mean, they will provide 2 years and security updates and everything. But in my conclusion is that I think it's not that worth to wait. But if you want more 5G bands, if you want more battery backup and fast charging combined, that's one thing. If you want maybe slightly cooling, that's not, we cannot know unless we use the device. We cannot decide how much it's kind of better in terms of the cooling system. So maybe if you want a slightly better battery backup and more 5G bands, then you can wait for the Realme GT Neo 2. That's the one thing which I can definitely advise you right now to do. So only considering these 2 points, I'm saying that you can wait if you want the 5G as a future proof. So that's the only one thing which I can definitely mention. And connectivity wise and the slightly kind of battery in the charging segment. And the cooling system I will definitely test if I buy the phone as soon as possible. And thank you for watching this video, friends. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to check the links in description for more information. Use my links to buy any kind of products from the Amazon and to support me. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.